welcome to all of you. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken pakoras or chicken fritters. These fritters are easy to make and taste scrumptious. These are an absolute delight to have as a snack or an appetizer and perfect for iftar also. So let's get started. Making these tempting pakoras or fritters, I have taken half a kg of boneless chicken cut into cubes like this, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 egg, a mix of fresh chopped coriander, mint and green chilies chopped fine, oil for frying, and salt 1 tablespoon, cumin seed powder 1 teaspoon, black pepper half a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala and 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder. You can take more chilies also if you like, and these are mild but they give good color. Now in a mixing bowl I have taken chicken and add all the spices: chili powder, cumin seed powder, coriander powder, chaat masala, salt, black pepper and lemon juice and ginger garlic paste. Mix properly and make sure to rub all the spices on chicken pieces. Once mixed properly, then add coriander, mint and green chilies and mix properly. Now we have to keep it for marination minimum 1 hour, or you can keep for more if you have time. So I'm just keeping it for 1 hour, and I'll be adding a 1 tablespoon of oil to this. Keep it for marination. Now after an hour of marination, I'll be adding egg, 1 egg, mix and then add rice flour and cornstarch. Keep mixing properly so that all the things are coated properly on the chicken. At this stage you can check for salt also, or if you want to add more chilies also. Now these are ready for frying. Meanwhile I had heated up oil and I'll add chicken pieces without overcrowding the pan. The heat here is between medium to high. Fry them properly on both the sides. Once they are fried on one side, flip them to other side. Once they are fried properly, we'll take them out on kitchen towel. Do the same with the remaining chicken pieces also. Here the chicken pakoras or fritters are ready. I have taken them out on kitchen towel. These are crunchy outside, juicy inside and hit the taste buds with right intensity. You can pair them with any chutney or dip of your choice. Give them a try and let me know in comments how they turn. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.